Hey there everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is the place where we explore, create and grow fast with technology. In today's video I am going to show you how to make an attendance sheet in Canva. Maybe you hold a meeting, whether a formal forum or at school. If you're a teacher, I'm sure you'll need this. So now let's get into the video. First, you need to log into your Canva account. In the search bar, type in attendance sheet. There's a lot of template that will pop up. You can choose some free template and customize. Now you can edit the template according to your preference. You can duplicate according to how many copies you need. Since this is a Brigada Escuela attendance sheet, then we will insert the Brigada Escuela design we've made last time. Just copy and paste it to your design. Then you can adjust it to the size suitable for the space you have to put into. Now let's edit the text for grade level. Then edit the alignment. It must be aligned to the date. Just highlight the grade and date, then click the three dots and click Align Elements, then click on Bottom. Now let's edit the name as Pang Allen so that it will be easily understood by parents, hence parents will be signing here. Then let's add one more column for the student's name. Just copy and paste one line and adjust the distance so that the columns will be evenly distributed. Change the format of the timeout and time in so that all columns will be good. Click on Text, then Line Spacing icon and adjust the line spacing. Just duplicate it for the time in. Write name of the student. Hence we need 2 pages, then we will duplicate the page and edit the numbers. Just continue the numbers of the first page. You can add as many pages as you need. If you're done, then you look at the page if you think it ready for printing. But if not, you think of other elements you think is lacking. I think I'd like to put the theme for this year's Brigada Escuela. So just copy it from the previous project and paste it to your design. Adjust the size and position to the area you'd like it to be positioned. Next, add a logo. Go to Uploads and find the uploaded logo files. If you have not yet uploaded a photo you need to upload it, just click on Upload Files and you will be redirected to your local file, then select your file and click on Open. Just click the logo image to insert it to your design. Adjust according to your preference. Drag the image to the area you'd like it to be positioned. Adjust until you'll get the desired size. For the circle logo, you'll need to insert frame. Go to Elements, type in Frame Circle and hit Enter. Select a circle frame. Once the frame is inserted in the design, drag the circle logo to the frame and it will give you a perfect circle automatically. You can then resize it and put it to the desired position. Adjust a little with the position. Remove the background of the DEP Ed logo. Change the color of the dots. Click the graphics, then click the color and change it to gray. If you think this is all good, then it will be ready for download. Just click on Share, hover your mouse pointer down, click on Download. Be sure to choose PDF standard for file type, then click Download. Your file is downloading now. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, click the bell icon so you'll get updated for my new uploads. If you're a beginner like me and still need a lot to know, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.